Starting a series where I make stuff that I find in my freezer. Today we have dug out some chicken wings, which yes, that says 422. They've been in my freezer for a year. I also had a bunch of random sauces in there. I found curry sauce. I'm gonna let both of these defrost in my fridge. It's the next day, our stuff is defrosted, and I'm gonna try to make this with only the things that I already have on hand. The thing I'm gonna do is taste this curry sauce. Well, that yellow curry sauce. Is that chicken in there? No, that was a mushroom. A little spicy. That's really good. I don't think the wings are gonna need that much extra flavor. I do have some curry powder, not cayenne pepper out, but this sauce is spicy enough. I don't think it needs it. I also have these rice noodles sitting around, and I'm thinking I'm gonna sop up the sauce with those. I'm a recipe girly, and so even though I'm pretty comfortable in the kitchen, when I'm making something new, I do like to Google around to see how other people have done that. I found that people like to make chicken wings in the air fryer at 400 for like 20 minutes. I looked at a bunch of different recipes. First, we're gonna pat these dry because also a lot of the recipes that I found said that your wings should be really dry in order for the skin to get crispy. Patting. Ooh. Raw chicken on the countertop. Perfect. Shake our curry powder in here. A little bit of salt. Don't worry, I have washed my hands already. And some fresh cracked pepper. Toss these babies. I want a little more curry powder. A bit more. Actually have an air fryer attachment for the top of my Instapot. It's like this. It's not that much cheaper than an individual air fryer, but it does save a lot of room in an apartment kitchen. This little stand and an air fryer basket, so you just put that right in your Instapot. Place our wings right in the basket in a single layer. You don't want to air fry stuff in double layers. Put our attachment right on the top. Start. It's gonna start to look like a spaceship. This is my favorite part. We're halfway done. Oh, they're looking good. A little flippy. Now the skin, y'all, the skin is crispy. And go. Spaceship. While the wings are cooking, make the rice noodles. This is really hard with one hand. Goodness. I have to break these in order for this to work. Somebody have a better solution? Let me know in the comments. Learning so quickly that, so as they boil, they get soft. This is my first time making rice noodles, if you couldn't tell. Planted some fresh herbs in my garden that I want to use. Fresh basil, probably too much, but oh well. Been about 17 minutes, and these are looking pretty crispy. It's been about 6 minutes. The noodles are done. Drain them with my favorite kitchen gadget ever. I transferred the sauce into a Tupperware, heated it up just a little bit. I use a Tupperware because that's what I'm gonna store it in the fridge, and I don't want to do as many dishes. Right into the sauce. And hope we have the right amount of sauce to noodle ratio. All the noodles coated. We'll have this again for lunch tomorrow. Did I not record myself doing the wings? They look great. Professional food blogger over here. And the fresh basil in. I definitely picked too much, but oh well. Now let's try it. Moment of truth. First, we're gonna go into the noodles. Delicious. Wings. Hello again. You want some wings? Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. Air fryer wings are legit. I don't expect everybody to have curry sauce sitting around in their freezer, but my point of doing this, when I cook for one, I always end up making way more of something than I actually need. I freeze the extra and then figure out ways to use it later, and you can do it too.